This video is going to cover how to use Paste Special in Excel. If you are unfamiliar with Paste Special, it is a really great tool in Excel that allows you to choose which specific components of a cell you're looking to paste into another cell. So unlike with the regular paste function, which will paste all components, Paste Special allows you to choose. In this video, I'll show you some ways that you can use Paste Special to save time in Excel. We're going to use Paste Special to update Amazon's income statement, which currently has some formatting and value errors in it. Step 1 asks us to paste the value from cell I6 into cell E6. So 2021 revenue in the income statement currently contains a false value, and the correct value is in cell I6, and so we want to bring that over. However, if we were to use Control V or the regular paste function, we would be bringing over all components of cell I6, including formatting, which we do not want to change. And so a much better way to do this would be to use Paste Special. So I'll hit Control Z to undo this change. And to access the Paste Special window, we'll hit Alt ES. And now we can see all of the different paste options that are available. In this case, we only want to paste over the value, so we'll hit the V key to select values, and then hit Enter. So now we see that cell E6 has updated its value, but kept its original formatting. Now we'll learn how to do the opposite, so we'll learn to update formatting while keeping the original values. So step 2 asks us to copy the formatting from row 6 into rows 19, 14, 19, and 20. We'll start by copying the selection and then highlighting the cells that we want to paste the formatting into. So similarly, we hit Alt ES and then we choose T for formatting. I can then use F4 to repeat my last action and bring the formatting into the other sections of the income statement. The next step is to paste the formula from row 12 into rows 17 and 23. Row 12 is calculating the percent of sales for the operating income line, and we want to paste that same formula below income before taxes and net income. Since these rows are formatted in different colors, it makes the most sense to use Paste Special in this scenario. So similar to before, we'll use Alt ES, and this time we'll select F for formulas. And now we can see that the formulas have been carried over correctly, and we were able to keep the original formatting in place. Step 5 is to multiply row 19 by 1000 using Paste Special. So row 19 is currently stated as dollars in billions instead of dollars in millions, which is how the rest of the income statement is. And so to correct this, we can copy this cell that has the value 1000 in it, and then select the cells that we want to multiply, and then similarly use the Paste Special function and select multiply. And this will multiply all of those cells by 1000. If instead we want to divide by 1000, we can similarly copy the cell with the value 1000 and then select divide from the Paste Special window. Our last step is to transpose revenue into the box below the income statement. Transpose means that instead of being written horizontally, we'll paste the numbers in descending vertical order. So we'll copy our selection, and then from the Paste Special box, we'll select both values and E for transpose, and then hit Enter. And now we see that our revenue has been pasted vertically. So that concludes this lesson. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and leave me any comments that you may have. Thank you.